Let's get to work.
Well done, Fia. It must have taken you ages to make this game. But how do you play it?
It's called a scavenger hunt. We work in teams and we have to find everything that's on the list. There's a white flower, a conker from a chestnut tree,
And a shiny seashell. Looks like we're in the right place. Cheep Cheep can find anything shiny. Cheep Cheep, do you want to play a game with us?
Tommy Gobber. Kip bín beag, kip bín mór, go híntach.
It looks like Cheep Cheep is busy working on her nest.
Gobber, sin é a chuirde.
Why don't we call on Bamba instead? Call and play with us when you're finished, Cheep Cheep.
Rubber, rubber, rubber.